Opening. Hey nature lovers. Ready for 3 mind-blowing facts about animals and nature. Point 1. The blue whale's heart is the size of a small car, weighing about 400 pounds, and it beats only 5 to 6 times each minute. Point 2. Tardigrades, also called water bears, can survive extreme radiation, the vacuum of space, temperatures from -272 to 150 degrees Celsius, and can go decades without water. Point 3. The mimic octopus can imitate more than 15 different sea creatures, changing its shape, color, and texture in under a second to avoid